Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn sending the HTML emails using the Python. In the last video we have done about how to send the plain text. Okay, now we are going to send the HTML emails. To see more advanced emails with the HTML content, you can replace the plain text body with the HTML content. In the last video we have plain text body. Now we are going to replace it with the HTML content. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see same thing that we have to do, import smtp library and all. We have to do the import. Okay, sender email, let's copy and make it in a code base. Most of the things are same, just we have to replace with the plain text with html. Okay, let's comment the previous code and let's add the new code over there. Okay, here we have the html. So here you can see we have a html file. In the last video we have the plain text. Okay, here you can see that. So here you can see that body and the plain text. Here you can see the body, this is the plain text, right? Let's copy the credentials from there. Okay, so this is our credentials which it require. Okay, so let's paste this credentials. So this is password for the app, password for the Gmail. This is receiver email. This is a sender. Sender email means the password which you have created for that email. Okay. Import SMTP library. Subject test HTML email. This is the HTML part. Okay. Multi-part alternative. You have to mention from, to, and the subject. Then attach the HTML message. My text HTML. Okay. Now start the connection with this server, outgoing server, Gmail with 587 port. Secure the connection and log in with that credentials. Send the email with the server.send, sender email, receiver email, and the message as a string. Okay, print that HTML email sent successfully. If something goes wrong, it will go to the exception and finally quit the server or close the connection. Okay, save this. Let's try to run it. And here we go with HTML email sent. Let's look. Let's go back and just loading. Okay, test HTML email is coming. Let's see. Hello from Python. This is the test email with HTML formatting. Visit our website. Okay, so this is how you can send the HTML email template in your Python. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.